Should strict nutritional guidelines for public school meals be maintained, even though the result is higher costs for both families and school districts? The proposed argument: no, a slight lowering of nutritional guidelines will have few ill effects, but further increases in the cost of food supplies and kitchen staff wages will prove disastrous. The correct answer is argument strong, and we'll prove this using our course checklist, focusing on relevance, significance, and completeness. Starting with relevance, does the argument relate directly to whether strict nutritional guidelines should be maintained? The answer is yes. It directly engages with the cost consequences of keeping the current guidelines and offers an alternative, slightly lowering them to avoid financial strain. Significance. Are the factors mentioned, rising costs and their potential impact, important enough to influence the decision? And again, it's yes. The argument frames the financial pressure as potentially disastrous. Assuming that's true, and we must assume all claims are true in the text, that would make cost a highly significant concern for school districts and families. And finally, completeness. Does the argument offer a clear and sufficient reason to oppose strict guidelines? And again, it's yes. It explains that slightly lowering the standards would likely have few ill effects, while maintaining them would result in serious financial harm. The trade-off is laid out: minor health impact versus major economic consequences. To sum up, the argument is relevant to the central question, focuses on a highly significant consequence, financial disaster, and lays out a clear cause and effect rationale. That's why the argument is strong.